Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the system and tools so the clone works cleanly. First, make a quick backup and a system image. This protects you if cloning fails. Next, attach the SSD via SATA cable or USB adapter and install the cloning utility. Free options work fine. Also check whether Windows uses MBR or GPT and enable OSI in BIOS now. Doing that before cloning avoids driver conflicts. Once done, you're ready to initialize the target SSD and move to copying. You'll perform the clone carefully so Windows boots from the SSD. Initialize the SSD with the same partition scheme as the source. Do not create extra partitions unless necessary. Launch the cloning tool and choose either a smart clone or full sector by sector copy. Smart cloning skips unused space and is faster. Map system, boot, and recovery partitions to the SSD and start. Keep an eye on progress and validate that partition sizes and the active/boot flag match once you'll complete the swap and finalize settings to get full SSD performance. Shut down and physically replace the HDD with the SSD or change boot priority to the SSD in BIOS, then boot. Once Windows loads, enable trim and run the optimized drives utility to confirm alignment and disable defragmentation. Remove or wipe the old HDD if keeping it as storage. If Windows fails to boot, check BIOS boot order and SATA mode, and use Windows Automatic Repair or a Bootrec fix to restore the bootloader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.